new background. I have arrived in Florida. I'll have to do a whole separate video so I can update you guys of where I've been for the past month. I'm definitely backlogged on videos. I was not expecting my pod to take over a month to get here. So I was in here, which is my new bedroom, on a blow-up mattress for the past month. I thought my things would be here within a week or two, so I literally packed the smallest suitcase full of toiletries and like 4 outfits, expecting everything to be here within a week or two max, and it took almost a month. So that's where I've been. I've been living in the same 4 outfits. But without further ado, today's video is going to be a review and unboxing. A brand, a Canadian brand actually. I think this is the first Canadian brand that has sent me anything, so super fun. This Canadian brand reached out to me and asked if I would review their subscription box, and I was like, okay, I'm intrigued, what is it? And the brand is super cute. It's called Knotty Knickers. And I thought at first it was like naughty, but it's not. It's Knotty, K-N-O-T-T-Y, Knotty Knickers, and it is an underwear subscription. So obviously you guys know I am no stranger to subscription boxes. I've done beauty boxes, and I know pretty much at this point there's like a subscription box for everything, but I've never tried an underwear subscription, and I was very intrigued. So they said that they have 3 separate packages. So I chose, I believe it's called Sugar and Spice. It's a combination of like sexy and like full underwear. So I wanted some undies that would be like comfortable to just lounge in, and then I wanted some sexy ones. So without further ado, this is going to be my little review of Knotty Knickers underwear subscription box. So I'm just gonna start out by reading you, and I have the package here, but I actually have not even looked at the underwear. I just wanted to pull everything out on a camera with you guys, so I didn't even look and see what they sent me. I just know I have a mix of different kinds of underwear. So I'm on their Instagram page right now. It says, Knotty Knickers, the most affordable underwear subscription on the market. Prices start at just $3.99 with $1 to $2 shipping, I guess depending on where you live, so your address. So they have like their whole aesthetic is super cute. They have all different underwear. So I will have to do a try on another day. We'll have to see how these fit. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys, you should definitely start out by looking at their Instagram to see if you like the styles that they have. Then I went over to their website. I already told you the pricing is $3.99. I just want to read you a little bit on their about page. So it says, Knotty Knickers is a Canadian-based online women's underwear subscription that delivers cute and affordable knickers throughout North America and the UK. You can only find Knotty Knickers brand exclusively on the website. So they're out of Toronto, and they said that their underwear is made from various parts of the world. Their team is very picky when it comes to suppliers and manufacturers. The team has vowed to never associate nor do business with manufacturers with poor or inhumane work conditions. They source directly from the manufacturer, limiting the middleman, passing on the savings to the customers. We believe underwear should never be expensive and made it our mission to provide underwear at their true affordable price. So that's a little bit about it. They have a ton of different styles. So they have hipsters, briefs, bikinis, cheekies. I love cheekies. Boy shorts, thongs, and G-strings. And like I said, they have 3 different styles. So you can get, let's see, I don't want to mispronounce. Okay, so they have Naughty, which is thongs and G-strings. They have Nice, which is no thongs, and Sugar and Spice. So that's the one I picked, which is mixed, and you get a little bit of everything. It's super easy, so if you go to like how it works, you basically just select your size. They have everything from extra small to size 2X. So there is a little something for everyone. And then next you'll choose your adorable knickers. And if you don't know, it's called Knotty Knickers because knickers are like kind of like an older endearing term for underwears. I don't know if you ever heard your grandmother say like, your knickers are falling down. So I think it's really cute. I love it. So it says, we'll handpick adorable knickers for you. Choose from Knotty, Nice, or Sugar and Spice. So you do your size, your package, and then you're all set. Your sweet and sexy package will be on its way shortly. Enjoy your fun monthly surprise knickers. So without further ado, I love the whole idea of this. So you don't have to go and like pick out your underwear in front of everyone. I used to shop exclusively for my underwear at Victoria's Secret, and just the pricing has gone up and up and up. So then I started only shopping during like their semi-annual sale. And while it's true every now and then I'll find a pair of underwear that I cannot live without, so I'll purchase it even though it's expensive, I find that like underwear just gets destroyed over time just from repetitive washing, or you get your period and God only knows what kind of staining. So I found that I go through underwear pretty quickly, and so it's nice that you don't spend a ton of money. So if you need to like replace your collection, or you are just kind of like rough with underwear, because a lot of underwear is like, the fabric's pretty fragile. So if you're not washing your underwear in like a lingerie bag, you can destroy it in the wash. So there's a lot that can go wrong with underwear. I just think that a subscription is so nice and easy, and you don't have to, it just takes the thinking out of it. They just send you a bunch of different styles, and so this is what the packaging looks like. You have clear with like a little coral band at the top, and it says #GetKnotty. Please recycle this bag. This bag is made from post-consumer recycled materials. So let's go with the first one. I don't have a, do I have a scissor down here? Let's see. No. So I'm just gonna be a savage and rip it with my teeth. Okay, there we go. So here is the first pair. And I got a size medium. I used to think I was a small, but I must have some wide hips for being tiny, because the small was always a little too tiny for me, or it'd fit and then like it would shrink a little, and then so I started just getting these are so cute. So I like it. It's lacy, and but still I think this is considered like cheeky. So anyway, I didn't finish my thought. I started getting medium just because it fits better. But I love these. The lace is sexy, but you still have like a little coverage on the booty area, but you can see skin through it, which I love. And all of their underwear is, you have a little liner here, but it is nice and thin. I love this color. This is like the prettiest lavender color. So this is my first pair, and again, I got the Sugar and Spice package. Okay, next I have a baby blue pair. This looks really cute too. So, oh my gosh, I love these. Maybe, okay, so I think cheeky partially shows your cheek, so I think this is a thong, but these are my favorite. There's a little fraying here, but it's not part of the underwear. I like these because the thick bands are kind of like my jam. So you have a lace, but they're more comfortable than I think a G-string. I don't know, when I was younger, I used to only wear thongs and G-strings. As I've gotten older, you guys, I'm just like, give me comfortable underwear. I want sexy, but give me comfort. So I think I'm gonna love these. These are my favorite kinds of underwear. And like, so I started telling you guys, I used to shop exclusively at Victoria's Secret, but because they were so expensive, I started shopping and getting my underwear at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, because I found really cute styles, like the Marilyn Monroe brand of underwear is like sexy but comfortable. And then they have the Jessica Simpson line. I love her underwear. So you can find really good prices there, but if I don't have to think about it, sometimes like underwear is the last thing you're thinking about shopping for. So I'm gonna sign up for this, because so it's $3.99, and for $1 or $2 shipping for $5 a month, you get 3 new pairs of underwear. I just think that's such a bargain. Okay, and the last pair, so again, like I said, you get 3 pairs. That is so cheap. It's $1 for a pair of underwear. Okay, the last pair, let's see. I think I'm gonna stick with the sugar and spice packets too, because like I said, I want some sexy pairs, but I want some comfortable pairs too. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love the mesh. And then the back is thong, but like I said, these are the most comfortable thongs in my opinion, where they have, you know, a little bit of material to still hug your waist and your hips, and then you have this cute little peep hole area, and you can kind of see the back. And actually, oops, I want to show you guys. So I actually have a tattoo on my lower back, so I think these underwears will kind of show the tattoo. So anyway, that is it. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. I love all 3 pairs. And again, you get 3 pairs per month for only $3.99, $1 or $2 for shipping, so around $5 or $6 a month. Such a good deal. So anyway, I think that completes my little unboxing of Knotty Knickers. If you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up. I will link all the information that I mentioned on Knotty Knickers below. Thank you, Knotty Knickers, for letting me try. I love what you guys sent me. I'm definitely signing up. So I think that's it. Again, everything about their website and the pricing will be linked in the description box below, so check it out. And I will see you guys all in my next video.